So what makes a BlueSky dust collector different from all the others? Well, we have radically changed two key aspects of how a dust collector operates. First, the way the collected dust is handled, and second, the process of how used filters are exchanged and disposed of. With a conventional dust collector, both operations carry a significant risk of spilling dust on workers and contaminating the work area. Industrial dust collectors are, in essence, giant vacuum cleaners. Dirty air is pulled through a battery of filters and expelled as clean air into the outside environment. Inside the dust collector, the extracted dust falls into hoppers at the bottom of the machine, and from there the collected dust is released into drums located underneath the hoppers. Problems arise when the drums are full. The full drums need to be disconnected from the hoppers and sealed to prepare for disposal. It's practically impossible to do this without spilling dust. To minimize health risks to personnel, special procedures and PPE are recommended. Unfortunately, these procedures are rarely followed, and besides, they don't fully prevent contamination of the direct surroundings of the dust collector. The filter change-out process poses similar risks. Simply opening the door to the compartment where the filters are housed releases dangerous amounts of dust into the work environment. Pulling the dirty filters out to ready them for bagging is probably the most hazardous aspect of the operation. Needless to say, this process causes dust to end up on people's clothing, and also here the work environment is at risk of being contaminated. BlueSky has come up with an innovative solution that eliminates the dangers associated with both the filter change-out process, in fact it eliminates the process entirely, and the disposal of the collected dust. We call it Smart Box technology. The Smart Box is a 5-foot tall metal box that sits as a separate module inside a BlueSky dust collector. It houses the filters and collects the extracted dust. So in a BlueSky dust collector, there's no separate compartment for filters and there are no drums. All the dirty parts of the dust collector, filters and collected dust are sealed inside the Smart Box. Each Smart Box has the capacity equal to 5 regular 55-gallon drums. When a Smart Box is full, it's lifted out of the machine and replaced by a new empty Smart Box with clean filters. Depending on air cleaning requirements, a single BlueSky dust collector can accommodate up to 5 Smart Boxes. The full Smart Box can be transported to a waste management facility to be processed. Because the Smart Box is completely sealed from when it goes into the machine until it comes out, there is zero risk of spillage and therefore no need for personnel to wear protective clothing or adhere to special safety procedures, simply because they never come in contact with either dust or dirty filters. The machine itself stays clean too, because it doesn't come in contact with any dust. In short, people are protected, the environment is protected, and the company that operates the dust collector is protected. In closing, I want to highlight one more advantage a BlueSky dust collector has over all the others, and that is it eliminates the distinction between a mobile dust collector and a fixed installation dust collector. Its revolutionary functionality allows for a low-profile design which makes it ideal for both applications. Installation of a BlueSky dust collector is a breeze. It's delivered by a standard roll-off truck and moved into place. Then, with compressed air, ducting and power connected, you're up and running. It's that easy.